Good morning, Vanto here in Cape Town. Get our products in aimglobalsouthafrica.com. That is where our product is. I've been talking about the 6 pillars of good health, and I kept on mentioning products that carry resveratrol. Today I want to talk to you about a product which is called Vida Maxx. As a survivor of a heart problem, a survivor of depression, you need this. I survived because of this. I'm going to do 2 parts. Today I'm going to do part 1 of this. There are 2 ingredients in this product called Vida Maxx, and the 2 ingredients that are here, the first one is called Resvida and the second one is called Fruitflow. The Resvida is the one that is a component of resveratrol. The Fruitflow is the one that is assisting with the circulation, improving circulation. Now, let's start with the Resvida. Let's look at what the Resvida is doing, and there are 5 things it has done to me, and I want you also to think about it as I'm going to share those 5 things that the Resvida can do. The first thing that the Resvida can do, there is a gene which is called the sirtuin. At 17, it switches off. That's the gene that makes you to grow. And when you are using Resvida, which is in resveratrol, that switches on again. And for people that are old, it helps with anti-aging. That means that that growth hormone, again, it is on. And then the second thing that resveratrol does, it is an anti-inflammatory, which means that it is protecting and it is a repair agent to all the damaged cells that are in the body. Those who do intermittent fasting, they will know something about autophagy. That's what it does. It increases autophagy. The third thing which the resveratrol is good for, it increases the blood flow in the brain. It reduces inflammation and in the brain as well. And it makes you to have that youthful brain. I am a witness to that. It has happened to me. Today I'm able to study things I used to study when I was 21. I'm 53 today. So you must remember that it's good for your memory. It's good for your memory. That is the cognitive health part of it. The other thing that it does, it's a good for cardiovascular health, which means that for people who've got a problem of circulation, it will be helping you in cardiovascular health. The last thing it does, it is good for joint health. So for musculoskeletal strength, it is good. It is good for cardiovascular health and for cognitive health. So take Vida Maxx. Remember, Vida Maxx. Take it today. I'll do the second part of it tomorrow about the Fruitflow. Thank you.